Namaskar, I am Ranjan Kumar, Amritri video reporter from Amritri News, Patna, Bihar, India. The Global Education Summit co-hosted by UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson and Kenyan Prime Minister Uhuru Kenyatta in London has raised a record $400 billion from donors for their Global Partnership for Education GPE. It was held on July 28 and 29, 2021 in London and online. This fundraising total puts GPE firmly on the path to achieving its target of raising at least $5 billion over the next 5 years to transform education for millions of world's most vulnerable children. A fully funded GPE would enable up to 175 million children to learn and help get 88 million more girls and boys in school by 2025. The two-day hybrid event brought together leaders from the government, businesses, private foundations, and development banks to commit funding and support to children's education in the world's lowest income countries. The funds raised at today's summit will transform the lives of millions of children around the world. The UK was proud to contribute £400 million to the Global Partnership for Education, and it is fantastic to see others step up and contribute to the goal of ensuring equality education for every child, said UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Education is the closest thing we have to a silver bullet to solve a myriad problems, from gender inequality to climate change, and is one of the surest ways for our countries. Ensuring that all children and especially girls can get the education they deserve is the smartest investment we can make to ensure we will back better from the pandemic. I call my fellow heads of state to endorse the domestic financing statement and to commit at least 20% of your domestic budgets to education, said Uhuru Kenyatta, President of the Republic of Kenya. This will ensure that we keep our promises to our children to secure their future through quality and inclusive education. The Global Education Summit London has helped put education at the top of the international agenda and highlighted its role in accelerating the fight to end poverty, prevent climate change, and improve health outcomes, said Julia Gillard, GP Board Chair and former Prime Minister of Australia. The summit is an important success for millions of children and young people around the world whose education has been upended by the pandemic, and a critical step to ensuring that education is at the heart of our response and recovery. On July 29, nearly 100 speakers joined the summit proceedings in person from London or virtually. In addition, 150 partners organized 70 side events that took place between July 19 to 28 under the summit themes of gender equality, teaching and learning, access and inclusion, COVID-19, domestic financing and climate change. Some of the most important VIPs who participated in Global Education Summit 2021 in London on 29th July 2021 were Boris Johnson, UK Prime Minister, Uhuru Kenyatta, President Kenya, Mohamed Bazoum, President of Niger, Mohamed Hussein Roble, Prime Minister of Somalia, Julius Maada Bio, President of Sierra Leone, नाना आकुटो अड्डो, President of Ghana; Paul Kagame, President of Rwanda; Lazarus Chakwera, President of Malawi; Muhammadu Buhari, President of Nigeria; Faure Gnassingbé, President of Togo; Macky Sall, President of Senegal; Issa Toure, Vice President of Zambia; Julia Gillard, GPE Board Chair and former Prime Minister of Australia; Alice Albright, CEO GPE; Jakaya Kikwete, former President of Tanzania, Board Chair elect GPE; Amina J. Mohammed, UN Deputy Secretary General; Gordon Brown, UN Special Envoy for Global Education; Dr. Tedros Adhanom, Director General WHO; Henrietta Ford, Executive Director UNICEF; Audrey Azoulay, Director General UNESCO; Dr. Geeta Manek, Trustee Rotary Foundation; Dr. Mari Pangestu, MD, Development Policy and Partnerships, the World Bank; Masatsugu Asakawa, President Asian Development Bank; Dr. Bandar Hajjar, President Islamic Development Bank; Dr. Beth Dunford, Vice President Agriculture, Human and Social Development, African Development Bank; Benigno Lopez Benitez, Vice President of Sectors of Knowledge, Inter-American Development Bank; Johnny Kerry, Special Presidential Envoy for Climate, US; Malala Yousafzai, co-founder Malala Fund; Peter Tabichi, winner of the 2019 Global Teacher Prize, Kenya; Ranjit Singh Disale, winner of the 2020 Global Teacher Prize, India; Faith Mwangi Powell, CEO Girls Not Brides; Helen Grant, Prime Minister's Special Envoy for Girls Education, UK; Saikemi Okurudingboy, GP Youth Leader 1, Youth Ambassador, UK; and Selina Nicoile, GP Youth Leader, Nasipai Founder, Kenya. Global Education Summit 2021, which was held at London, is a good sign for the development of education at the global level and empowerment of girls, children, and for the protection of their rights in this pandemic COVID era. We shall work together for better education to children of the world in this pandemic COVID era. Congress to GPE Board Chair Julia Gillard and her dedicated team and youth leaders and supporter banks for the success of better education for the children in the world, for happy children world. Thank you for watching. Ranjan Kumar Amritudhi, video reporter, Amritudhi News, Patna, Bihar. Namaskar. Thank you.